Colorado Springs is currently under a winter weather advisory, and this is why. Welcome to my channel. This is Silver Prepping Grandma. We were expecting 3 to 5 inches overnight, and I would say we probably got a good 4 to 5. Expecting another 1 to 3 inches today. And I'll tell you what, it's colder than a well digger's butt out here. But I wanted to hop on real quick and just share this with you guys. It's still coming down. The flakes are really small, so I don't know if you can actually see them or not. The trash company ran today, so that's good. Most of the local schools were closed. But you can see it's pretty deep. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys all have a great day. Stay warm, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.